Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this first episode of Cooking with Cook, I'm gonna be making some Spanish rice that nobody can resist. So stay tuned. First, I got my non-stick pan. It's my favorite. I know it's a little scratched up, but I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons of oil. Should be good there, and I'm gonna turn on my heat on high and let it warm up. I have my rice ready. You're gonna need some rice, and I have a can of tomato sauce. These are my ingredients: tomato, bouillon, chicken bouillon. I wanted to say concentrate, but it's not, it's bouillon. And then my secret ingredient is azafran, sazon Goya. And it comes with these little packages like this and some garlic. First thing is to heat up my oil, and let's get going. My garlic. And a good trick for cutting is, bam, a wet towel. You put it down first on your counter, then you put your cutting board down, and you get a good, nice, thick, nice, sharp, and you just break off the garlic. I'm gonna need about 3 cloves of garlic. And so I'm gonna cut off the tip here like this from the rest of them. And you're gonna turn your knife on its side and smash. And the garlic pops right out. Look at that. No need to peel and have sticky fingers. And that's our garlic. I have my garlic all peeled. I'm gonna put my garlic here, give it one more smash, and just rock the knife. Putting all the garlic together, a nice, coarse, and finely chopped garlic. So we're getting that ready for our Spanish rice. Oops. Now let's start putting our rice in. The oil's a little warm. I'm not gonna make that much. That's about a cup. A little bit more. Cup and a half. Then the main thing is to stir. And also on non-stick pans like this, even though mine is all scratched up already, you want to use the plastic spoons or the wood spoons so it won't scratch them up more. I've had this pot for about 11 years now. And always keep it on high and just keep stirring. And a little bit more rice. Just a little bit. So you can see how much is it? It's about a ½ an inch from the bottom. Got to keep stirring on high. It's fine because it's hot. The important thing right now is to stir it as much as possible, and you have to babysit rice, but don't stop stirring. and you cannot stir it that much once the water is in there. Tita always said, no le menees después del agua. That means do not stir it after you put the water. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bells for more upcoming side dishes and main dishes that I'll be making on these episodes of Cooking with Cook. See you guys right here starting to turn brown. See those little bits right there? Starting to turn brown. That's an indication, and it's a light brown. That's an indication that we need to add our garlic. 3 cloves of garlic that we chopped. And we're gonna start stirring this in. And as soon as that garlic starts hitting the bottom of the pan and starts heating up, oh my goodness, everybody's gonna start coming out of the room talking about we hungry. Smells good. Oh, it does smell good. Oh, I forgot one more ingredient from my freezer. It's 1 pack of mixed vegetables. Let's grab that real quick. Here it is. Mixed vegetables. That's what makes it good. Oh, you see that rice? It's starting to turn brown, golden brown. And it's starting to smell delicious. This is Cooking with Cook. Point, you have to babysit the rice. You see how it's turning brown. Don't let it burn. You see how it's golden brown. Now we need some water. And we're gonna start adding our seasonings. Got some water. Remember, we can't stir it that much. Our mixed vegetables. I have to put you down for a minute. Mixed vegetables. Our can of tomato sauce. How us Mexicans open cans. Sorry. Don't try this at home. And I'm gonna use about half of this can. Always remember to store the rest in a container. Don't leave it in the aluminum and then in the refrigerator. Put it in the container. Because you guys can get sick with that. And then put that in the refrigerator. Step is we need to season our rice. So let me get some, a little bit more water. And we're gonna bring that up to a boil, always on high. I have not lowered it. So we're gonna put a little bit of consommé de pollo. So this has a high salt content. So you want to put like just a little sprinkle on the top. See how it coated a little bit? And then this one also has a high salt content. The consommé de tomate. Chicken and this one is tomato. And then you want to mix it around. And I have not added salt. But you see how you can see the rice still there? So I'm gonna add a little bit more water. And don't worry about over adding water. If you add too much water, all you have to do is just leave your lid off and it would evaporate. So I'm gonna mix it up a little bit and then taste the water. And you want it a little bit under the salty side. Oh, that's perfect and so delicious already. All right, so now we're gonna bring this up to a boil. We want a hard boil, and then after that, we're gonna reduce to a simmer. Ingredient is my azafran. That's gonna give it a beautiful orange. It's already red color. But an orange color, and it gives it a flavor that, oh my goodness. Wow. A light boil right there. And I want to boil all the way through, so I'm gonna give it one turn so it start boiling all the way through. While I'm waiting for everything else to come out. There's nothing better than tamales en the comal. With some frijoles. Oh my goodness. Dinner's gonna be good tonight. Babysit it, so I'm starting to get a boil all the way through. See that? So now I'm going to cover and reduce to low, and just a unit bit boiling. Gonna need some more water. I'm gonna put some. Just enough to cover it. See right there? And I'm gonna bring from the outside in, outside in, outside in, outside in. Because remember, the flame is low, so it's only really steaming in the middle. And then shake it down. You see, in those few seconds, it absorbed that water again. So I want to bring it up to the top of it. And then keep it on low and let it keep simmering. Let me turn these suckers over. Ow. Ow, that's hot. Ow, that's hot. And all you have to do is just get a little grain on the top. Y que sea al dente, al diente. That means soft enough to chew with the teeth. And so I usually try to get the ones from the outside. So good. And then cover it up and give it a few more minutes. It needs a little bit more. So we gotta watch it. My snack. I'm watching it. Oh yeah. Okay. Now you can still see water down there, but see how it's almost evaporated, all of it? And we don't want to overcook the rice. So what we're gonna do is just keep it covered and turn it off. And while we finish the rest of dinner, everything else should be ready. All right. It's been steaming. You see that steam on the top? Oh. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Look how it just, oh. Perfect. I like vegetables, so. Look at that. And it smells so good. It's so flavorful. Notice that I did not put any salt. I only used the seasoned salt, which is the bouillon, chicken, and the tomato. Oh my goodness. This is so good. Now I need some charro beans. Oh my goodness, with some charro beans. I'm sorry guys. This is so good. This was supposed to be a tasting, but oh my goodness. That is simple Spanish rice. See guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next episode with Cooking with Cook. And enjoy your meal. Enjoy your dinner with your family. There's nothing better than home cooked meal, believe it or not. All right, God bless and have a good night. Subscribe, push the subscribe button, Cooking with Cook, and also turn on your notification bell. All right, thanks and God bless.